Hey guys, so this is a quick video for you. What are the reasons why you shouldn't buy the Xiaomi semi-automatic espresso machine? The kind of like the pros and cons to be aware of if you want to get it. So first things first, it's a slim design. It's not huge. You know, like they're like those big coffee machines. And that's a great thing. You have like 20 bar Italian pump right there. So that's a great thing too. And a low pressure pre-infusion, temperature control, powerful steam, simple touchscreen interface, so it's not something like very difficult to use. Customizable cup volume, so you can change that. But the cons, shots pull too fast. And also like many report espresso running like 10 to 15 seconds. You know, inconsistent crema. Crema is sometimes thick and golden, or times thin and watery. Also, portafilter basket gets stuck. A common complaint is that the basket gets stuck in the portafilter due to a stiff spring mechanism. Feels lightweight and plasticky. So it's primarily in the plastic, so that's something to be aware of. Also, no manual extraction button. If it doesn't have a manual extraction button, sometimes many espressos are like value, so this is not like a manual thing, okay? Also, no app connectivity. Small water tank. It comes like 0.9 liter water tank for a few cups, but you will refill often. And that's pretty much it primarily. But yeah, it's not a bad product. What you can like actually like expect. But here are like the cons that you can like have to be aware of. And yeah, I mean, who would have it like here? What a picture, man! Like, why would you have it in a living room like this? So that's pretty much it, guys. So thank you very much, guys, for watching, and have a great day and goodbye.